Guys, congratulate me. This is the first time Openclaw has posted into my blog. It's actually on lovable.com. This website's hosted on Lovable. So it created this image. It took my video and it created a little blurb about it and put it into my latest news section of my blog, which is fantastic. Basically, all I did, I want to just prove it to you. I want to prove to you that I'm not lying. And let me show you what I asked. This was what I asked. 1 second. I just gave it a link to my latest YouTube video and said, listen, add a blog post to clawlauncher.net. So he literally did it. He put the image, the metadata, everything, a custom graphic, everything posted to Openclaw. So the rest of these I did, but this is the one that he did. Now I'm so confident that he can do it properly that I might now want to create a cron job, which means once a day, I want it to create a blog post based on my latest video. How amazing is this, guys?